Have you ever wondered how infrastructure development can shape a country's economy? Picture this: India, a nation of over 1 billion people, rapidly transforming under the momentum of infrastructure development. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has sparked a revolution with the announcement of 3 flagship schemes: the Smart Cities Mission, Housing for All by 2022, and the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, also known as AMRUT. These projects, totaling a staggering expenditure of close to 4 lakh crore, are not just about building roads or erecting buildings. They're about creating a foundation for sustained economic growth, improving the quality of life for millions, and making India a more attractive destination for both domestic and foreign investments. Modi's vision is ambitious, aiming to change not just the urban landscape, but to give a significant boost to the economy. The potential ripple effects of these schemes on sectors like manufacturing, employment, and global market competitiveness are enormous. So buckle up as we delve into the expected impact of these projects. First, let's explore the Smart Cities Mission, a project that aims to change India's urban landscape. This initiative, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, is not just about modernizing cities. It's about creating a ripple effect that will boost the economy, increase GDP, and draw in investment from overseas. Picture this: smart cities with interconnected services, efficient energy management, and sustainable infrastructure. This isn't just about making life easier for residents. The Smart Cities Mission is a golden opportunity for companies, especially those in the infrastructure and technology sectors. Take, for instance, the National Building Construction Corporation Limited, a public sector company that has been involved in infrastructure development under the Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission. With their experience and expertise, they're well positioned to play a significant role in the Smart Cities Mission. Their involvement could mean not just better urban environments, but a significant boost to their business. But it's not just public companies that stand to benefit. Schneider Electric, a global specialist in energy management and automation, is another key player that could see a boost from the Smart Cities Mission. Their focus on making energy safe, reliable, efficient, productive, and green aligns perfectly with the goals of the mission. The digitization plan integral to the Smart Cities project could provide Schneider Electric with new business opportunities, helping it to grow fundamentally. Then there's Sterlite Technologies, a leading global provider of transmission solutions for the telecom and power industries. They recently signed an agreement with Ericsson to drive smart, sustainable city initiatives. This partnership could be a game changer, not just for the companies involved, but for the cities they'll be transforming. Similarly, Kalpataru Power Transmission and KEC International Limited, both major forces in power transmission and distribution, could see significant benefits from the Smart Cities Mission. Their experience in infrastructure development and global transmission line contracts puts them in an excellent position to contribute to and profit from the mission. In essence, the Smart Cities Mission is more than just a plan for urban renewal. It's an economic catalyst, a job creator, and a beacon for foreign investment. It's an ambitious project that holds the promise of a brighter, smarter, and more prosperous future for India. But what about the other initiatives? Let's move on to the Housing for All by 2022 project. Imagine a country where everyone has access to affordable housing. That's the goal of the Housing for All by 2022 initiative. This ambitious project, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, aims to provide affordable housing solutions for all citizens by the year 2022. This initiative is not only about providing shelter for every citizen, it's also about stimulating India's economy. The construction of affordable houses requires a vast workforce, from architects and engineers to construction workers and real estate agents. This means that the Housing for All by 2022 initiative is anticipated to create a substantial number of jobs across the country, thereby reducing unemployment rates. Furthermore, this initiative is expected to give a significant boost to the construction sector. The demand for construction materials and services will surge, leading to an increase in business for companies in this sector. One such company that stands to benefit from this initiative is Schneider Electric Infrastructure Limited. Schneider Electric is a global specialist in energy management and automation. They develop technologies and solutions to make energy safe, reliable, efficient, productive, and green. With the push for affordable housing under the Housing for All by 2022 initiative, Schneider Electric Infrastructure Limited has the opportunity to play a significant role. They can provide the necessary energy-efficient solutions for these new homes, contributing to the initiative's goal of creating sustainable and affordable housing for all. Moreover, Schneider Electric's commitment to research and development, along with their strong commitment to sustainable development, aligns perfectly with the initiative's objectives. This means that they're not just beneficiaries of the initiative, but also active contributors to its success. The Housing for All by 2022 initiative is a testament to the government's commitment to improving the quality of life for its citizens. It's a multifaceted approach that not only addresses the housing needs of the population, but also stimulates the economy and promotes sustainable development. Next, let's explore the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation. The Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, or AMRUT, is another ambitious project by the Indian government. This transformative mission is set to revolutionize urban areas across India, with a focus on creating sustainable and inclusive cities. The goals of AMRUT are vast and diverse, encompassing everything from ensuring clean drinking water and improved sewerage networks, to developing green spaces and reducing traffic congestion. In the economic sphere, AMRUT is poised to inject vitality into the urban economy, promoting growth and creating jobs. The project is expected to attract heavy investments, both domestic and foreign, in sectors such as construction, real estate, and infrastructure development. Key players in the industry are already aligning their strategies to harness the opportunities presented by AMRUT. For instance, Sterlite Technologies Ltd, a global provider of transmission solutions for the telecom and power industries, is set to benefit significantly. The company has recently signed an agreement with Ericsson to drive smart sustainable city initiatives, positioning itself to contribute to and capitalize on the AMRUT project. Similarly, Kalpataru Power Transmission Ltd, known for its strong international presence in power transmission and distribution, is expected to gain from the government's Smart City project. With a history of executing contracts in India and abroad, the company is well positioned to participate in infrastructure development under AMRUT. These are just a few examples of the ripple effect the AMRUT project is expected to have on various sectors of the economy. As these initiatives take shape, they will undoubtedly usher in a new era of urban living in India, characterized by sustainability, inclusivity, and economic vibrancy. Finally, let's summarize the potential impact of these projects. As we have seen, infrastructure development can significantly impact a country's economy. The Smart Cities mission, for instance, is poised to transform India's urban landscape, potentially improving the economic climate and attracting overseas investment. The Housing for All by 2022 initiative is another promising endeavor aiming to provide affordable housing to all Indian citizens. This not only addresses a basic human need, but also stimulates economic activity in the construction sector and related industries. Moreover, the Atal Mission for Rejuvenation and Urban Transformation, or AMRUT, seeks to improve urban infrastructure, providing a better quality of life in cities and towns, and consequently fostering economic development. Companies like the National Building Construction Corporation, Schneider Electric, Sterlite Technologies, Kalpataru Power Transmission, and KEC International are all positioned to benefit from these initiatives. Their involvement in these projects may boost their business, contribute to their growth, and create additional employment opportunities. It's clear that infrastructure projects like these can play a major role in shaping a country's economic future. Remember, the next time you see a construction project,